family. I want to first give my prayers for everybody in my southern states of Florida. We've been hit with the triple whammy this year. Not the double, but the triple whammy this year, and also last year we were hit. So this is getting rough, and I do hope everybody is okay. If you lost somebody, I am so sorry. If you lost your homes, I am so sorry. So sorry. This is some rough times we are in, but I still try to keep it light because I don't want to cry for y'all. I don't want to cry in front of y'all. It's rough. So today, I went out to find something and had to go to Michael's to look for it. They didn't have it, but then on my way out the door, they had the grab bags, the $10 grab bags. So I did this for y'all. Literally, I did this for y'all. So I did, before you saw me, you saw what the bin looked like. Now, they used to be $2. Then they went to $4. Then they went to $5. Now they $10. So now I am here to let you know what's in. I picked one. I picked the heavy one. And this was $10. It's pretty heavy. Let you know if it's still worth it. We're going to go through this grab bag, and I'm filming this on Saturday, October 12th, and they were in my store on Saturday, October 12th. Hopefully I'll get this up tonight, but I'm just going to rip it, but it's a big bag, like I say. So we're going to unbag this with you, only because I did see some things I know I can use, and oh, this is looking good. This is looking good. You may not see me. You may see me because the bag it's a big bag. So this is looking pretty good. I can use these little faux plants. So I got one of those. And the retail is $9.99. Which they were 50% off from the gate. So they were like $5 a piece in the store. Then these little pink tulips, maybe not. We'll see. And, I got a lot of these. Another little faux plant. Look like it's missing a leaf, but it might be down in the bag somewhere. These might work in the studio, even though I have real plants behind the camera. My beautiful real plants. Then we got another faux plant. Pretty leaves. This is one of the ones I have trouble keeping alive when I do buy them. Actually, yeah. I think I bought one and it didn't make it here. So, good for the faux plants. Thank you. And again, these were all $10 or $5. However you want to look at it. Look at it. Then we have fiber optic string lights. So they have little plumes on them. And they were US $29.99, child. And they got a tester. These might go on eBay. If I can get $10 for them, I can at least get my $10 back I spent on the bag. Child, what is this? This must be broke. I don't know what this maybe. I don't know what this is. It's not. Child, this is what a lot of this stuff be. I don't know if it's broken, but it looked like it was at once an umbrella. I don't know what it is. What does it say? Maybe that'll help me. Ashland Summer tabletop decor, and that's it. So it could be I don't know, child. If you know, put it in the comments below. But whatever it is, it seems like it's broken. You do get a lot of that, but for $10 for everything. A little house, a little bird house. And it says $4.99, so it's a paintable one. I ain't got nowhere to put all this stuff. Champagne Queen. And this is breast cancer, maybe. I don't know. It's pink, but it says Champagne Queen. And then, let's see here. It's a whole nother bag in here. They had to double it up. Now, what I did see, like one bag had just a nice big soccer ball and a nice big basketball. Full size. Oh, I got a lot of these. Okay, that's cool. Because I can actually make them look full by putting them in one pot and putting some moss around them. Oh, this is a whole bag of these. Here's another one. Here's another one. So, a whole heap of these. If you was doing a wedding or something that needs some table scapes, here's another one. Plenty. This would be amazing. And then this is some little decorative naturals, whatever that is. I guess you put that base filler or something. So I just got a big floral one. Now these hot pink candles, child, what I'm going to do with this? Is this pink, orange, or what? Marbled? Ooh. Unscented neon taper candles. Absolutely no use for that. Oh, ooh, that's cool. Little blackberries. Let's see what else we got in here. So we into the summer fruits. A piece of cactus. Oh, so you can do a little arrangement with this. That's not my forte. But I do like to make, remake furniture and things like that. And I will do a floral arrangement, but I ain't the best at it. Child, I'm not the best. And we got some apple picks. Plums. Now that's cute. A plum pick. Another plum pick. Some more blackberry. I don't know. It's a blackberry pick and a pear pick. And we got some cactus picks. Oh, wow. So, yeah, you can kind of feel the bag, but I had no idea that all this was in here. Gnome. A ladybug gnome. And another, I guess, vase filler pick. Oh, it's a lot. This is a flower that came off of another flower, another gnome pick. What the? Oh, a little bird, a toucan bird pick. Oh, that's cool. Some shorts and flip-flops, decorative pick. Swimming trunks and flip-flops. Another piece of cactus. What in the what is this? Well, that's pretty weird. Tabletop decor, and it's just I don't know if it's broken. Was it meant to be like that? That's pretty weird. What the heck is that? If you know, tell me in the comments below, because it just says tabletop decor, but it looks broken. Child. Then we got the letter A. I got a friend name start with an A. I get to her. Then we have the letter O. And we have a moss E. Then we have this little thing. Child, a straight up bag of junk. Let's not. Okay, so basket makers. Some of y'all might be able to use this stuff for embellishment. I just want to let y'all know it was out there. It's some more of these. And then they had some with toys. They had some. So it was all kinds of themes. This was in the package. But it is, I don't know if you do dollhouse miniatures, but it's a bed of cabbages growing. Mini decoration. Ooh, I'm running out of places to put this stuff. I need to do another haul behind this. I got Dollar Tree stuff at my feet. Then we got sunglass picks. It's 2 of those. Child, so y'all can see what's in them. See if you need to run to your store to grab you one. I mean, like I say, if you make baskets, this may come in handy for 10 bucks. This is a really pretty ugly flower. It says succulent. I don't know. It's some more stuff. All this for $10 now. So again, if you have some use for some of it, and send the rest to Goodwill. Here's a bikini, lemon, and flip-flops. I mean, a swimsuit, lemon, and flip-flops. So that will go good as decor on the top of a summer basket. Then, now this I can use. This is vase filler, decorative vase filler, and it is like a sandy mixed colors. And and they were $8 a piece. I have 3 bags of that, or 2, let me see. Yeah, 3 bags of the vase filler. And another one of these. So that's what's in the grab bags at Michael's. Hope you get one. Nobody was checking for them things. I just did this for y'all. Thank me in the comments below if this was useful to you. Or just say thank you. Just say thank you because I'm stuck dealing with all this. Here's something else. This is a French fry pen. French fry ink pen. Maybe my son would like that. But that's it. That was the full Michael's haul. I want you to all prep and pray. Pray. Pray for the people that are affected by this disaster. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day and weekend. Good luck finding one of these bags at Michael's. It was plenty left. If you're in Jacksonville, airport, River City, Michael's had at least 15 of them left. Nobody was checking for them. So get out there and get you one if you want one. Have a great day. Love you to life. Bye-bye.